Welcome to Nexwap. In this short guide, I'll show you how to set up an automatic welcome message so every new customer gets an instant, friendly reply on WhatsApp. Start from your dashboard. In the left sidebar, open Automation and then click Chatbot Builder. If you haven't created any rules yet, you'll see an empty builder. That's fine. The welcome message lives in its own tab, and it works on its own. The Overview tab shows how your bot behaves. Keyword rules answer specific questions, while the welcome message greets anyone who writes to you for the very first time. Now, open the Welcome tab. Turn on the Welcome Message toggle, and the editor appears, along with a live WhatsApp preview on the right. Type your greeting. Keep it short, warm, and useful. Introduce your business and tell the customer what they can ask for. You can see exactly how it will look in the preview as you type. When you're happy with it, click Save. That's it. Your welcome message is live, and it will be sent automatically to every new conversation. Now every customer gets an instant reply, day or night. That's Nexwap. Visit app.nexwap.com to get started.